Hey guys, so I'm here to just show you guys how I am going to do my hair. I'm going to be flat twisting it this time, and I'm going to be reapplying Chebe again, but this time I am going to be applying it a different way. Like normally when I apply Chebe, I either do the butter or I do the traditional way, so I apply everything separately. But I like the way that a recipe that was posted in the group looked, so I was like, let me try that out and see how it works. I mean, because I've tried the traditional way for a long time, I've tried the butter for a long time, so I was like, let me experiment a little bit for the last 6 months of the challenge. So I'm going to be trying different recipes and things like that and seeing how they work for my hair. So if you are new to the channel, please hit subscribe, please like the video, and I hope you enjoy it. And we also have a Facebook group, and it's all about Chebe. So we just talk about hair, different tips and tricks using Chebe, different styles you can do, tons of different things of ladies that are doing it tons of different ways, people who are washing their hair, people who aren't, like me, and different things like that. So I'll leave that link in the description box too for you to join. But right now I'm trying a recipe that I saw, and I need to make some more, so I'm going to be making some more on camera. But basically I didn't measure anything, I just kind of followed the recipe that somebody posted in the group, and it's basically you find a mix of oil and just throw some powder on top and stir it up, and you have like a little paste. And I like it so far. I did part of my head, so I'm just going to be taking you through the process of that, okay? And I'm still using water for the first step, and then I'm covering it with some grease, and this is just grease from Walmart, cheapo grease. It was 50 cents. It was on sale, so I was like, hey, let me grab some because I need grease. So when I apply the traditional way, I normally use a whole jar. So I'm doing pretty good. I'm almost halfway through my hair, and I only used about that much, and this was a new container. There's no real measurements. Like I said, you can kind of just eyeball it because that's what I'm doing, so I can't give you measurements. So I'm using a spoon just because my hands are already dirty. And I'm going to scoop out some oil, and I'm using coconut oil just because that's what I have. I have about that much. It's a good bit. And I'm only scooping out a little bit at a time just because I don't want it to sit here once I get done. And like I said, I've been using this one, not I've been using it, but like I use it already on my hair while I'm doing this style, and I like the consistency of it. Like I like the way I can just grab and paint it on my hair. It feels really good for some reason, and that just could be a me thing. So that's what it looks like. And then I just have my Chebe powder, and I'm just going to sprinkle some on top. And I just do it until it covers the powder. Covers the oil. And then watch the magic happen. And I'll insert a picture of what it actually looks like once I just mix it up. But it looks really creamy and nice. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. So we will see if it will work the same. Not really work, it should. But I have heard of people had issues before, so we'll see how well it works. And then I can let you know firsthand how well it works. But the lady in the group that uses this recipe, she likes it, so it does work for her, so we'll see. So I'll show you the consistency. Stir anything is really liquidy. Okay? So there's some still on the fork. But just like oil and powder mix is really simple. And I don't even have my hair prepped for the section. So like I said, I'm doing a flat twist style, and my parting, I'm just taking out the knot style that I had. I wore this for like 2 weeks, so I'm just undoing each knot and then flat twisting that area. So my parts are not going to be perfect. I don't even feel like trying to make them perfect. It's not that serious to me. And yeah, I don't think it's that serious. So I'm gonna attempt to show you guys what I'm doing.